said Joelle, I'm Carol. I hope you're having a wonderful day, doing what you love to do. All right, today we're gonna do a shortcut rapid fire. I'll try to cover as much shortcuts as I can in 5 minutes. This will be sort of like a revision and you'll enjoy it. Let's go. 1. Hit V for pointer. So to come out of any tool that you're in, such as text, you just hit V and it takes you to the standard selection tool. 2. Hit A to multiple select. So to move multiple clips at once, I just hit A to multiple select and then hit V to select and move it. 3. Hit C to cut. So if you want just a part of this clip, you just hit C to cut it where you want. And then hit V to select and delete. 4. Hit I to mark in. 5. Hit O to mark out. So if you want just a section of this audio, you just hit I and then hit O and then you grab the audio and you drop it here. 6. Hit Control and this squiggly thing, I think it's tilde, I don't know. So this squiggly thing and for full screen. So to view this video in full screen, I first select the window and then hit Ctrl tilde to view it in full screen. 7. Hit tilde again to just expand one window. So to expand a window, I just select the window I want and hit tilde. And it expands it for me. 8. Hit escape to exit out of almost anything. So I use this mostly to exit out of the text tool that I'm in. 9. Hit N for nest. To nest. So to nest this clip, I just click the clip and then hit N. And it creates a nested sequence for me. If N is set for something else by default, you just have to go to the keyboard shortcuts, which is Ctrl Alt K, and it brings up this shortcut window here, and then you just type nest, and then you drag the letter, and then you drop it to nest. It sets it for you. Number 10. Hit Ctrl M to export media. To export the sequence, I just click the sequence and hit Ctrl M and it brings up the window. 11. Alt and click equals copy and paste. So to copy paste this clip, I just hold down Alt and click and drag and drop. And it duplicates it for me. Number 12. Hold down Alt and scroll to either expand or shrink your timeline. 13. Ctrl S equals save. I do this almost every 10 seconds. This will be useful when your program accidentally crashes. You don't want to lose the data. So hit Ctrl Save every 10 seconds. Number 14. Hit Y to use the slip tool. So I've got a part of this video in here, and if I want another part of the same video in this clip, I can just use the slip tool. Hit Y, and then you can slip to the right, or you can slip to the left. Number 15. Hit the space bar to play the video. So I can play the video or pause it using the space bar. Number 16. Hit enter to render. If your video has these red spots, it means your video needs rendering. So you just hit enter to render your video. Number 17, hit L to shuttle right. It speeds up your source video. So if you have a very long source video and you want to go through it faster, you can just hit L over and over and it speeds it up. Hit escape to come out of it. Number 18, hit T to add text. So when you hit T, your pointer changes to a cursor and you can make this box and type whatever you want in it. 19, hit Q to ripple delete. So let's just say I don't want this gap here. So instead of manually selecting it and moving it, I'm gonna select this gap and hit Q to ripple delete. Number 20, this is an easy one. You might already know it, but Ctrl Z equals undo. So let's just say I accidentally deleted this clip. I just hit Ctrl Z to undo. And the last one, Ctrl, Alt, and K brings up the keyboard shortcuts. You can either customize your shortcuts or learn the existing ones here. Alright, that's it. That's all I have. And did I hit the 5-minute timer? I'm not sure, but let me know if you have any questions in the comments below and I will help you with it. Alright, people. Make sure to subscribe to C'est Joël and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta! No. What? Get over it. Okay.